Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, I want to talk about iOS 16 on old iPhone. iOS 16 will be the next iPhone update this fall. And if you wonder, is your device is compatible with this update? The answer depends on which device you have. iOS 16 will be compatible with iPhone 8 or later. So I have an iPhone 8 and I'm going to show you how to download the beta of iOS 16 on your phone. No matter which iPhone you've got, the process is the same. Simply log your Apple account in beta.apple.com and go enroll your device to download the profile. Because to try the beta, you need the profile system to receive the update. Once the profile is downloaded, go to your setting and install the profile. You're gonna be forced to make a restart of your device. Then, after your device has restarted, you can go in your update section and make the update. So for me, it's been a couple hours. I've been trying this new update, and so far, even if it's a beta, I'm impressed. I tried two new features, the lock screen and a new feature called Lift. Let's start with the customization of the lock screen. This is the biggest new feature of iOS 16 and it's wild. In iOS 16, we will be able to customize a lots of things like the clock and adding some widget on the lock screen. Finally, in the beta, for what I've tried, when you personalize the lock screen, we have the option to customize the home screen as well. We can set up different lock screen that matches the focus mode. So let's say you have work activated, then you have a gaming focus. So you can set up a lock screen with the focus work and then a different lock screen with the focus gaming. So each lock screen can have different widgets and wallpapers. We can even blur out the home screen wallpaper. Another feature I had to try is lift subject on pictures. So let's say you saved a photo of an animal or a car or flowers from Google and you saved it in your phone. This feature lets you long press on the subject on the photo and detach the subject from the photo and literally create a PNG with the subject. And it's the same if you take a picture of your cat or dog or your car or whatever subject you take. The second your picture is took, you can open it and long press on the subject and detach it from the photo and save the subject in a PNG format and share it to the world. What impressed me in this new feature is the way you can quickly make a Photoshop edit with simply long press the subject. In Photoshop, this process could take minutes or hours depending on your skills in Photoshop. And now with this feature, it's taking seconds. And last but not least, I wanted to see Apple CarPlay, but sadly I didn't see any big change. The big change will be on all future 2023 car, so for now I don't have much to say. I'm gonna wait when the full update will be released this fall. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and leave a like to this video if you enjoy it, and see ya!